it looks as though Mick Schumacher could be in the frame after all to replace Logan Sargeant should he not improve. I think that would be awesome because I think he deserves to be in Formula 1. My only concern is whether Williams would actually take him because of Logan Sargeant being an American driver and Doralton Capital being an American company. Having said that, I think that shouldn't be a problem, and I think Toto Wolff wouldn't put any obstacles in Mick's way should the call to replace Logan Sargeant become a serious proposition. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my content, then please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and check out the links in the video description. Thanks again. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.